everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a spoon and then put the red threads over it like this. You can see we are putting the stitches with the red threads. Now moving forward, we'll be removing the spoon by cutting the red thread from the between. So first take a green one and then again overlap it like this. So you can see we are putting the stitches over it again and again. Now keep fixing it till the end and cover it all together as shown in the video. So you can see it's almost done. Now moving forward, we'll be taking a blade, cut it from the between. Now remove the spoon and spread the petals of the flowers. So you can see how beautifully a flower is done. Next, take a piece of cloth. Now put the stitch in a V shape like this. You can see we are putting the stitch on one side and pulling it out from the other side. Now after doing this, we have to fix the threads like this. Now stretch the thread and you'll get a frill or cluster like look on the sides and your beautiful dress is done. Next, take a jeans or a torn cloth. Now mark the lines on the sides of it in a shape of a leaf. So you can see, now take a thread and the needle, put it on the top, fix it on the sides like this. So you can see how we are fixing the threads and then we have to put it one by one like this. So you can see we are putting the threads and covering the leaf. Now after that we have to fix the needle and the thread like this, cover the leaf all together and till the end we have to fix it. So you can see we have made a beautiful leaf and it's done. Next, we have to take a green color top or a beautiful cloth. Now, put these stitches over it like this. You can see how we are putting it. So, it's basically these straight stitches or the line stitch you can say. Put it one by one as shown in the video. Keep fixing it like this. Now, after that, you have to put the threads and the needle like this with the help of the threads like this. Keep fixing it. Take it till the end and cover the dress like this. Now, after fixing it, and then we have to put it like this one by one. Keep fixing the threads like this. Now after that we have to put the threads like this and then stretch the thread all together, stitch it like this. You can see it's done. I hope you liked it. Next we have to take a cloth or a jeans and then fold it like this. You can see you can use this trick on any collared or the sleeves dress also. So you can see we are putting this running stitch over the jeans by folding it. So fix the stitches carefully. Now after putting the running stitch all through the jeans, we'll be folding it down again. So you can see we have to fix it from the between. You can see we are folding the stitch. Now turn the jeans like this and look, it got shorter and the stitches are not even visible. Now take a white color thread and put it like this on the top. So you can see we are making the chain stitch and at the end we will be putting the stitch in the between. Remove the stitches like this and stretch the thread. And look, it's done. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.